Okay, we're working on a Toyota Paseo 94, adding door lock actuators. This video will be the same for the Toyota Tercel. Removing the door panel, there's one screw here. There are two screws underneath this piece. Pop it up, you'll see there's two screw holes here and over here. Pop off your clip. There really is no need to take off the cover off the speaker. You can just leave that on there. I took it off because I didn't know it could stay. There are 4 of these screws. They're underneath the door panel. There's one here, there's one here, there's one in here, one in this corner. Also in this corner there is a plastic pin. Pop that out and then you should be able to lift the door panel up. Bam. Pull the plastic back. I already did it, so I don't have to go through the motions. Anyways, you can just watch the video and figure out from what I did. You can do it different ways. This is just the way that I thought was best for me. I just put my bar in across here. Do not use self-tapping screws. Over the course of the next few weeks they'll become loose and your door actuators will not work correctly. The whole assembly will be shifting back and forth and not unlocking your doors. So do yourself a favor and get some machine screws. I put some Loctite on them, and I put the a nut on the back and a washer, lock washer. Anyways, the block is attached here. Supplied screws. Put Loctite on all these so they won't come loose. And this is a 5-wire. The 5-wire so that I can do the central locking. I can just lock all the doors from here. You don't have to. You can use this pistol style actuator, which most people will do. And make sure you grab a battery and you can test it. I think it's green and the blue. Go there. Hard to do with one hand, but it works both directions. Anyways, that's where I mounted it. Run your wires, zip tie them along here. Go through the boot, take off the kick panel, wire it to your alarm system, whatever you want to do, and that is done. Put your door panel back on. 4 screws in the bottom, one behind the lever here. There's 2. You can see these. There's one here. There's one here. Don't forget your clip, and that's it. Thanks for watching.